Guys, welcome back. It's Dave, Coast Motor Company in Palmetto, Florida. I got a real treat for you today, and I'm going to let Tyler tell you all about it.
How's it going, everybody? Today we have a real special car. This is a 1950 Mercury 8 lead sled style car. Really above the top build. The really cool thing about this car is they didn't chop it or channel it, so it's still got the original body on it. But this one is custom in every sense of the word. From the paint job, it's got a complete aftermarket chassis with air ride suspension. It's got a Cadillac 472 cubic inch V8 that is bored 30 over with a comp cam. It's got an automatic transmission. You've got power steering, power brakes, cruise control, custom stereo, air conditioning. Anything you can do to a car has been done for this one. I'll bring you over here, show you the interior with the custom faux wood grain. I mean, it's just gorgeous.
Nice. Guys, check this out. Look at that. Mercury.
One of my favorite I've ever seen in a car.
Yeah, the steering wheel's pretty. I like that. I like all the gauges. I like the floor. Really pretty.
There's not much not to like on this car.
Yeah, seats are awesome too.
You know, everything's just very well done. No expense spared. This was a $200,000 build that you can buy now for half that, $99,000, and this could be yours. We'll bring you under here, show you the engine.
Let's check it out. Wow.
It looks like it came in there. Again, beefed up 472 Cadillac V8. You've got aluminum radiator, keep it cool. I mean, just everything is very well done. It was professionally built by a hot rod shop here just south of us in Sarasota County.
Nice.
Again, it's ready to go, and this is definitely a trophy winner at a local car show.
Guys, look at this. I mean, it's clean under the hood too.
Underneath is clean.
Does this thing have air ride?
It does.
Awesome. Awesome. Guys, this is a really nice car. If this is the first time you've landed on our channel, please subscribe, like, share, and hit the notifications so that you're the first to see something really cool like this. We just started it up. So smooth, guys. It runs really nice. This car sits there very nice. No shaking, no tapping, no squealing.
That was my favorite thing that I was going to share was how smooth that motor is.
Yeah.
And I also wanted to fire it up. If you take a couple steps back, we'll set it down on the frame and show you how cool it really looks.
All right, cool. Guys, what we're going to do is we're going to operate the air ride on this thing here. We can lower this thing down like a low rider. Wow, that's cool. Check it out, guys. Look at that. She slammed. Guys, check that out. Does that look cool or what?
Tell me that was not mean, huh?
That is mean, Tyler. That is mean. The mean green machine. Guys, this car is a really pretty green. On the video, it may present as something else, a dark blue or a black, but it is a very beautiful green.
It's an emerald green.
Emerald green is what we're working with.
Great tone. Just a gorgeous car.
Beautiful. Look at that steering wheel. Guys, it's green. If you can't see it, it's green. I love it. It's really cool, Tyler. It's really really cool.
Thank you. Thanks for coming by. Thanks for everybody taking a look at it. Again, that's our 50 Mercury. If you have any questions, comments, concerns on this car or any of the other ones we have, check us out online, coastmotorco.com. You can send an inquiry through our website. You can email us, coastmotorco@gmail.com, or you can give us a call, 941-212-6548.
Thanks, Tyler. I'm going to do a little
Thank you.
more walking around this thing for a second. Guys, this is an awesome vehicle. It's so comfortable to sit in. I've been playing with it a little bit, and it's really cool. For those of you who don't know who I am, I'm Dave from Coast Motor Company in Palmetto, Florida. I show off cars, trucks, Jeeps, airplanes, motorcycles, skateboards with engines, and anything I did not mention that will be shown off in the future that has an engine. We do it right here, Palmetto, Florida, under the red, white, and blue. Thank you, guys. Appreciate you.